Learn English. Listen and repeat. Do you live here? Do you live here? I live nearby. I live nearby. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor. Where do you study? Where do you study? I study at. I study at. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? My phone number is. My phone number is. Can I call you? Can I call you? I'll call you later. I'll call you later. What's your email address? What's your email address? My email is. My email is. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? I take the bus. I take the bus. I walk to work. I walk to work. Is this your house? Is this your house? This is my apartment. This is my apartment. I have a question. I have a question. Can you answer this? Can you answer this? Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? I prefer tea. I prefer tea. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. I don't eat meat. I don't eat meat. I eat fish. I eat fish. I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian. I'm allergic to nuts. I'm allergic to nuts. I love pizza. I love pizza. Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? Let's stay home. Let's stay home. I like this movie. I like this movie. I don't like horror movies. I don't like horror movies. Do you want popcorn? Do you want popcorn? I'm full. I'm full. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Do you have pets? Do you have pets? I have a dog. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a cat. I don't have pets. I don't have pets. Do you like animals? Do you like animals? I love dogs. I love dogs. I like cats. I like cats. Do you exercise? Do you exercise? I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I like running. I like running. I don't like swimming. I don't like swimming. Do you play sports? Do you play sports? I play soccer. I play soccer. I play basketball. I play basketball. I don't play sports. I don't play sports. I like music. I like music. I play the guitar. I play the guitar. I can't play an instrument. I can't play an instrument. Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing? I like to dance. I like to dance. I'm not a good dancer. I'm not a good dancer. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. I like green. I like green. I don't like yellow. I don't like yellow. Do you like reading? Do you like reading? I love books. I love books. I don't read often. I don't read often. Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV? I like documentaries. I like documentaries. I don't watch TV. I don't watch TV. Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you have brothers or sisters? I have one brother. I have one brother. I have two sisters. I have two sisters. I'm an only child. I'm an only child. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning. I'm working. I'm working. I'm relaxing. I'm relaxing. Can you help me cook? Can you help me cook? I like spicy food. I like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. Where do you shop? Where do you shop? I shop online. I shop online. I go to the market. I go to the market. Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt? This tastes delicious. This tastes delicious. This is too salty. This is too salty. This is sweet. This is sweet. Do you want more? Do you want more? I'm okay, thank you. I'm okay, thank you. Can we take a picture? Can we take a picture? Where is your camera? Where is your camera? Do you know this place? Do you know this place? I've been here before. I've been here before. This is my first time here. This is my first time here. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? I want to visit France. I want to visit France. I've never been to Italy. I've never been to Italy. I love the mountains. I love the mountains. I prefer the beach. I prefer the beach.